Hello students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. This video is like a quiz based on human skeleton. So before we start with our quiz, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting updates on upcoming videos. So let's begin with our quiz. So yes students, what do you think? What is this? A very simple one. You can see the timer. Meanwhile, you can also pause the video and think over. So the correct answer is it's a human skull, right? Now moving to a little difficult one. So yes students, now do you think or can you do the correct labeling of all these parts that you see over here? So you can see here the various parts, right? Parts of your skull. Your skull is made up of various bones, right? What are the correct labeling? Think over. So yes students, I think it's a sufficient time. Now it's time to know the correct answer. So you can see the correct labelings. The first one is the frontal. Then at your nose you have the nasal bone, followed by the next one, that is sphenoid. Then you have the lacrimal. You have the next one, that is zygomatic bone. Then you have the vomer. Then below that you have the maxilla, and to the opposite side you have coronal suture, followed by parietal bone, followed by temporal bone near to your ears, and just next below your teeth you have the mandible, right? So students, your skull, it includes your jawbone also. Then now a little easier one. So yes students, what is this? And again it is colored in different colors, right? So why are they colored in different colors, right? What are those regions? What do you think? Your time have started. So the correct answer is, so these are the various vertebrae, and there are total 33 vertebrates which are divided as you can see over here. The first one is cervical, which consists of almost 7 bones, okay, which you can see over here in orange color, followed by the next one, that is the thoracic vertebrae, which is indicated in pink color, and they are 12 in numbers. Then the next one you have is lumbar vertebra. They are indicated in a bluish shade and they are total 5 in number. Then the next one is the sacrum. They are 5 in numbers and they are fused together. The bones here are fused together. And the last one is cossack, that is 4 in number, okay, that is also called as tailbone. Okay, now the next one. This is comparatively easier one students. You can think what is it? Yes, amongst one of the easiest bone to identify. So this is your sternum, right? So this is the image of a sternum. Okay, now the next one. So yes students, can you make out what is this which has been said 1 and 2? Yes, your time have started. You can think over. What is this? The triangular bone and the one which is joining the sternum with the triangular bone. What is it? So your time, I have given sufficient time. So the correct answer is the triangular bone is the scapula and the one which is joining is the clavicle. Your clavicle is also called as the collarbone, right? Moving further students. So yes students, again this one very easier to identify. What is it? So the right answer is it's your rib cage, right? So basically your chest is made up of your ribs and sternum. Then the next question. So yes students, this is what? Can you label these bones correctly? Your time have started. You can think. This, I'll give you a hint. These are the parts of your hand. You can think these are the bones in your hand. So students, the right answer for this is the upper bone. What you see is the humerus, followed by the next one, that is the capitellum, and the opposite side to the capitellum you have the is the trochlea. Then the next bone is the radius bone, and also parallelly we have the ulna bone. Okay, so these bones form framework of our hand, right? Then, yes students, what is this? This is our palm and our fingers. So what are the correct labeling for this? Yes, what are these bones called as? Any idea? Yes. So time up. The correct labeling for these bones are, first one, that is you can see carpals. So this carpals is nothing but the wrist bone followed by the metacarpals, right? That is, it forms our palm portion. Then the next one is proximal phalanges, intermediate phalanges and distal phalanges, right? Now, yes students, what is this? You can think. You have to just tell the name of this entire, what it is known as. Time up. The correct answer is the pelvic girdle and pelvis. Okay. Now, studying it in more detail, these bones can be further categorized like that of, the wider one is called as ilium. Then just next to ilium you can see that is acetabulum, that is the socket. Then below the socket you have ischium, and just next to it you have the pubis. Okay, and here you can see the sacrum and cossack, what we have seen already before. Then the next one, so this is the bones which form your leg. So students, how will you label it? What are the correct labeling? You can think. Correct labeling for the bones which form our leg. Yes. So your time is about to finish. The correct labeling for this are, the upper one is called as femur, right? Femur, then femur, that is the thigh bone. Then the next one, that is kneecap, it is called as patella. Then the next one is the tibia and the fibula, which extends up to our feet, right? Now, so yes students, this is the last question of the quiz. So these are the bones of our feet. You can see here the three colors: blue, orange and green. So students, what do you think? What are these part called as? So these, yes, bones are known as, the right answer is the last one, that is the blue portion is tarsals. Above that, that is the orange one is metatarsals, and the green one is the phalanges. So this combinedly make our feet. So thank you students for watching this video till end. I hope your idea regarding name of the bones are clear. Thank you. See you soon in next video.